Hello friends, welcome to our Science Tech channel. In the channel, today we are going to learn about the subject science in that ecosystem. So let us see what is an ecosystem. An ecosystem include of all the living things like plants, animal, living organism. They come on the earth and survive in the atmosphere in a given area and interacting with each other, and all the non-living organism it include like weather, earth, sun, soil, climate, atmosphere. All these are coming basically in non-living things, we can say. So ecosystem basically include all living organism and non-living organism, whatever it is coming on the earth. So that include is ecosystem. So ecosystem are the foundation of biosphere and they determine the health of entire earth system. So in short, we can say ecosystem is nothing but whenever all the living organism they coming on the earth to survive in atmosphere. So that is nothing but ecosystem. So let us see the first diagram of ecosystem. Basically, what include ecosystem means we can say small living organism like plants, animals. They are coming in all those environment in the ecosystem. So this is the diagram is all about. We can say what is an exactly ecosystem. Next, we are going to see the types of ecosystem. So, the types of ecosystem include basically two types. The first is the terrestrial ecosystem, and the second one is aquatic ecosystem. So, let us begin the slide of terrestrial ecosystem. So, what is exactly terrestrial ecosystem? टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम मीन्स क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, ऐसे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो लैंड पे सर्वाइव करते हैं उसको बोलते हैं टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम. So terrestrial ecosystem are exclusively land-based ecosystem. There are different types of terrestrial ecosystem distributed around various geological zones. They are as follows. So terrestrial ecosystem four types में classified होते हैं. तो first है forest ecosystem, second is grassland ecosystem, third is tundra ecosystem, and fourth is desert ecosystem. So let us see the slide of four ecosystem one by one. So first टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा टेरेस्ट्रियल मतलब कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हो या फिर एनी ह्यूमन बीइंग दे आर सर्वाइविंग ऑन द अर्थ to live in day to day life, so that comes in we can say terrestrial ecosystem. So this is the slide is all about we can say terrestrial ecosystem. Next is aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem it basically include the living organism or the animals or plants which live in water. Basically they are living in water to survive, that is aquatic ecosystem. So exact aquatic ecosystem are present in body of water, we can say. They are further divided into two types, namely freshwater ecosystem and marine water ecosystem. So here is the next slide of aquatic ecosystem. मतलब aquatic ecosystem में जितने भी organisms आते हैं, plants, animals, that slide we are going to see, that is here it is been shown. Next slide is about freshwater ecosystem. So freshwater ecosystem क्या है? Freshwater ecosystem means जो पानी क्लीन होता है उसमें हर एक ऑर्गेनिज्म होते हैं फ्रेश वाटर में होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं फ्रेश वाटर इकोसिस्टम. सो बेसिकली फ्रेश वाटर इकोसिस्टम ऑफर एंड स्पेशली रिच डाइवर्सिटी, मतलब thousands ऑफ वेराइटीज ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी आर लिविंग इन फ्रेश वाटर वी कैन से. Habitat condition, plants, animals, species, weather, forest, ponds, mountain, river, large lakes, interaction between organisms that live and they are differ in the type of body water involved. We explored this complex interaction including primary production, evolution of food webs. Food webs means basically the chain, how the living organism they are dependent on each other, means like primary consumer, secondary, tertiary consumers, they are dependent on each other for their food purpose. So that is coming all about freshwater ecosystem. So here the diagram it is being shown of the freshwater, how the living organism they are surviving. Basically the freshwater biome is made up of all the inland water sources with a salinity of less than 1%. Okay, next one, marine ecosystem. So basically marine ecosystem includes marshes, tidal zones, estuaries, the mangrove forest, lagoons, seagrass beds, seafloor and the coral reefs. So marine ecosystem means aquatic ecosystem rarely or maintaining a balanced marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem are an important part of the world because marine ecosystem give marine life such as tiny plankton, fish, crustaceans, invertebrates, reptiles, marine mammals, shark and ray a place to live and survive. So all these plants we can say plankton, fish, crustaceans, invertebrates, little small animals, insects, they are all surviving in we can say marine ecosystem. So all this include all the types come in marine ecosystem. So here we can see the slide over here. In marine ecosystem the various living organisms, plants, animals, it is being shown very nicely in the diagram. So that is the marine ecosystem we can say. It includes estuaries, crabs, farmland, dolphins, plankton, zooplankton, sea stars, then fishes and different types of we can say plants are there, bacteria, how they are surviving in marine ecosystem. So it is being shown. So I hope so we have seen the different types of ecosystem